Thank you so much. Carmen, we're on.
Oh, God, it better be on, honey. Don't tell me it's not. Well, check it. Anyway,
Yeah.
The monitor, everything could be louder. Well, you know where it is. Turn it up.
It's on.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on. That's a good thing.
The music is on, but the voices are not.
The voices are not on.
Not
Not
loud enough.
loud enough. All right. Hold on a minute, folks.
Your voice is loud enough, and the mic, I felt like you could have been louder. But
Pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
Hey, 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 hey. That'll be better. Just short of feedback.
I'm blue, I long time to.
So here we are at Carmine's Country Corner. Today is our big and very special Paul Marshall birthday party show. And so your birthday is actually today.
It's actually today.
Yeah,
Carl.
well, we got lucky. We landed right on the day. And the reason we're doing this at noon on Saturday is because my Knott's Berry Farm schedule is kicking in now for the season, and I've got to be juggling these balls and when I can work my show. And Kim, however, will post this tomorrow night at 6 for those of you who might not be watching it today and might go there tomorrow at 6 and say, what's the new show? And you'll see it. It'll be there. So now Marina just got home from 3 months in San Marino. And, unfortunately, we lost my brother, Buddy, her husband. It's been a little over a year now, hasn't it? And, boy, we miss Buddy. And my brother, Sonny, who I have a picture of up there, has been gone over 2 years. And I asked Marina the other day when she got home, I said, I need a picture of Buddy, something I can blow up and put it up there next to Sonny because, equal opportunity. Because I learned that at a class one time. Anyway, about being equal. Anyway,
She might give you a picture of Buddy that's even bigger.
and I'll put it up. Anyway, we love Buddy and we love Sonny, and of course we love Marina. And so, anyway, Paul,
Yeah.
today's your birthday. Your family is taking you to dinner, and you got things planned. And
Yeah. My wife's out of town. Colleen out of town, but
well, happy birthday.
I got you and all these guys.
Yeah,
and all
so-
these guys. So
I don't know if that adds
No,
up to
it's-
what Colleen would be
it's-
to you, but
it's-
we love her. And where'd she go this time?
She is in Reno and Tahoe.
Oh, good for her. She hung out there a lot when you met her. That's where she was
I
from.
met her at Lake Tahoe.
Yeah.
I did.
That's unbelievable.
So yeah.
Beautiful up there. All right, do another one. We'll
Okay.
keep. Oh, I do want to mention, only because you're probably going to see his face. Cody Bryant came up at the last minute, and so he's. But that's really not him. It's just someone who looks like him. So okay. What do we got?
Let's do They Call Me a Playboy in the key of D. 5511.
Okay.
They call me a playboy while I'm making my round, chasing the bright lights of every night spot in town.
Good song.
We're off and running.
No, I hope that's not true just because Colleen's out of town.
Hey, you know,
I hope
when-
you're not
when-
living that life.
When Colleen's away, they'll have to cook now dinner.
Sometimes Paul plays. No, I'm just kidding. He wouldn't do that. Hey, we got my good friend Bob Gotho on bass and vocals. And Bob, I want you to turn that bass up just a little bit more.
Okay.
Please. You know, musicians are so used to people telling them to turn down. You notice a reaction when you ask them to turn up. They get real happy, like, oh, great. But anyway, what do we got?
Want me to sing one?
Yeah.
Very good.
Are you ready? You want to wait? I can
Yeah, I don't sing that one that well.
I got my request booty because everybody.
We're gonna do
I'm going
Folsom.
to do Tiger by the Tail.
We're gonna do Folsom because Tiger by the Tail is a hard one to sing. Anyway, with some different lyrics, as you know.
Yes.
Remember? Okay, here we go.
Is it E?
Is it E? Yeah. The last verse is gonna go to F.
I love that. We're modulating.
I'll signal. Here we go.
It's okay.
Somewhere in there, okay? Down. 1, 2, 3.
Since I was a young boy, I played the silver ball. From Soho down to Brighton, I must have played them all. But I ain't seen nothing like him in any amusement hall. Yeah, that deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays a mean pinball. He stands like a statue because he's part of the machine. Feeling all the bumpers, always playing clean. Plays by intuition, I've never seen him fall. Yeah, that deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays a mean pinball. Gary! Cody Bryant. He ain't got no distractions, don't hear no buttons and bells, don't see no lights a flashing, praise my sense of smell, always gets a replay, addicted to Counter-Strike. Yeah, that deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays a mean pinball. Paul.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ben.
Nothing like Johnny Cash. Hey, Bart just walked in. Get ready, get that thing tuned up. What do you got, your ukulele?
Yeah.
I love it. Get it tuned up, and in a couple of songs you can use this mic and come up have some fun with us. Oh, well, okay. I don't know if I want, it's kind of late for that, I think. Maybe. Well, you can use my amp. We'll work it out. Yeah, today's Paul's birthday. Got a little feedback. I got the PA up a little louder.
Wow, Carmen, you really got me a splendid birthday party here. I appreciate it. This is fantastic.
Well, you know, I have
I feel like it's a special,
couple of
special
my
day.
couple of customers of mine, Lee, and she is going to kill me because I forgot your name. But we know who you are, and you're beautiful. So Lee and his lovely wife, customers of mine for many years, came in the other day, and I did some work for the big truck. They bought a beautiful, big, huge truck, and I had to alter their truck cover, make it fit a little better, and we made it look really pretty and good. And so they came by to say hello. So they joined your party, Paul.
I love it.
Lee and his beautiful
Welcome.
wife, and I've known them forever. They're great people. Okay, so who's got one now? Swan, hit us. What key? Right, Walks of the Fire.
I'm making this whole song up in my head right now.
I think the solos go to a chorus.
If any mistakes are made, it's by one of these guys.
It'll usually be
ladies
me.
and gentlemen.
But it's okay because it's my show, so I get to do what I want. Go ahead.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken then some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name. Don't need my old one on my
something with that ukulele. Now you want to plug in somewhere?
Just don't hit me in the head with it.
I do.
We're gonna do Tiptoe Through the Tulips.
Give us a minute, folks.
That's beautiful. Wow.
Okay. Perfect. I hear you delayed, folks.
Alrighty, all I gotta do is either shrink or grow this. Ah! Paul, I came all the way from Hawaii for your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Bart. You're a good buddy.
Alrighty, let's do bring it on down to Paul's house in the key of C for happy birthday.
What's the second change? What's the second change?
What's that?
What's the second change?
Well, you'll bet it.
Yeah?
It's only got a 1, a 4, and a 5. That's it. Well, bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Bring it on down to my house, honey. And need your company. My gal Sal West, she makes good pie. I ate so much I can nearly die. Bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Go ahead, Paul. Well, bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home with me. Bring it on down to my house, honey. I need your company. Well, say, old man, can you play the fiddle? If I crack you, I can play a little. Bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home with me. Well, bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me and Paul. Bring it on down to my house, honey. We need your company. I wish I knew what this first goes. I just make one up. Hey, who knows what I'm gonna say in my house, honey? Ain't nobody home but me. Anybody else want me? Last time, bring it on down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Bring it on down to my house, honey. I need your company. Happy birthday to you, Paul. And that's not for me, that's for us all. Come down to my house, honey. Ain't nobody home but me. Ain't nobody home but me. It's a, I don't know what it's supposed to be, but to me it's a clip from a, it's a show-off thing.
Looks good. Do one more.
One more? Fine, fine. How about, That's All Right Mama,
Okay, good.
in the key of A for Happy Birthday, Paul.
All right.
All right, let Elvis, because on Elvis's birthday, we always celebrate Paul's birthday. Well, that's alright, mama. That's alright for you. That's alright now, mama. Any way you wanna do, that's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, mama. Any way you do. Well, my mama, she done told me. My papa done told me too. Some that kind of fool, she ain't no good for you, but that's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, mama. Hey, Paul, it's your birthday, isn't it? Hey, Conrad, you're gonna have a birthday later this year. Well, I stand on my corner, I wring my hands and moan. The only thing I know is one of us is gone, but that's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, mama. Anyway you do. That's alright, mama. That's alright for you. That's alright now, mama. Any way you wanna do, but that's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, mama. Any way you do. That's alright now, mama. Anyway, you do.
How about a handful? I keep thinking I'm taller. But that was great. How fun. Come back some other time, but not today. No, I'm just kidding. How about a hand for Bart? Then he gives it everything. You know what Paul Wilson said about you, Bart? You know Tom Wilson. He said, Bart, he never leaves any rubber on the road. Like you work it, baby. Well, you play great. You sound good. Thank you for coming to Paul's birthday party. Isn't that fun? Just dropped my pick. Oh, who wants to do one? I'm gonna let you guys decide. Talk amongst yourselves.
Today I started loving you tomorrow.
Okay.
G.
G, is it?
1, 2, 1.
Yeah, I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache live. Today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, thinking I'd get by. Don't let these human tears cry. I should have known the worst yet to come. And the fine time for me just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I really always been. I got over you long enough, let my heart ache. Today I started loving you again. Said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heart ache mend. Today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again.
Wait a minute. We take calls here at Carmine's Country Corner.
Tell the bass player to tune up.
Hold on a minute, folks. Sourdough. This is my brother Phil. I'm right in the middle of doing my show. I got a big audience, and everybody all over Facebook is watching. Well, I didn't call you and tell you. Normally we do it on Sunday. Anyway, are you home? All right, well, I got to run now. I'll call you back in about 45 minutes. I love you. Bye-bye. You know, in this family, when your older brother Phil calls, you take the call.
Pick it up.
Yeah. I think a lot of you people out there would understand that. Some of you don't. Well, you know, do what you want. Okay, what do we got? Paul,
Let's do The End Is Not in
I
Sight
love that song.
in the key of E. Coming
fives in the song. Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can get away with it.
Straight A's.
Guess I knew it all along. Have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the wind is not inside. Like sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth. That sweet little gal of mine, she's the finest from the south. Now the days are getting longer, the nights are getting colder. I wanna go back home, lay my head upon her shoulder. Take a hold on, Carmen. I knew it all along. I'd have to go back home, 'cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the wind is not inside. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the wind is not inside. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Paul. I'm going to sing you a song for your birthday.
Please do.
Absolutely. Clayton Delaney.
I love this song.
I love this song.
the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. Now it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, you know, he said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. But he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. These guys are fast. Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Hi, Cody. Said he drank a lot and I could never understand. And I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow. And I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. And it could be that the good Lord likes a little peeking too. Play one song. All right. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Thank you guys. Paul, happy birthday.
Thank you, Carmen.
I love swapping licks with you. You play great.
It's been great so
Love
far.
the way you play. Yeah, we're having a good day. Hey, we're going to go just 5 minutes over. Swan, you want to do another one real quick?
Why are they looking at me? Why are these people looking at me?
I don't know. It's a good looking.
You're up.
Yeah, let's do, you wanna sing one, Cody? No. Okay, just making sure. Jeez. Ah,
Cody,
okay,
next time we're putting you behind. You know, the amp can stay where it is. You go behind.
let's do, little Vince Gill.
Okay, so what are we doing?
One more last chance.
Okay, a good song.
Play it as fast as you can.
What key is it, Gary?
You kick it
You
off.
gotta guess that yourself.
No, please.
Hey,
Thank you.
make it sound like a train from Chicago. 1, 2, 1, 2, do, 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 do. She was standing at the front door. I came on round nine. Looked up in the left hand, rolled a man in a ride. Said you come on, walk last time. Whiskey on your head. Gonna listen to my preacher. Head to day. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best thing I can do. Good old boy, the man up, running round on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Let Bertie in my closet, 'cause you know that I can see. It ain't going nowhere, boy, with a little time with me. My friends call, honky tonk, there's a party going on around here. She lit my coffee, I got about to hold on to it. One more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Get a good old boy, make it love, running around on me. Just one more last chance before you say we're through. One more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Get a good old boy, make it love, running around on you. Just one more last chance before you say we're through. We got one more last chance before you say we're through.
Okay, we're going to close out. Paul's going to do one. And Paul, happy birthday. I'm glad we had a few people come up.
Thank you, Carmen.
We got a little cake for you and things like that. So Paul's going to close it out. We're going to go about 5 minutes over. And we'll see y'all next week. This show will run again. Of course, it's up there to see anytime you want. But we'll make sure at 6 o'clock tomorrow night it starts off, and it'll be our new show for this week. And thanks for watching. Tell a friend, push like, push share. If you're watching it on Facebook, push subscribe. And the subscribe numbers are coming up.
All right.
Yeah, man. We got quite a few now, so it's starting to get there.
Don't forget to push the coffee table.
Yeah, do that too. Okay, what do you got?
Let's do mind your own business in E.
Kiwi, mind your own business.
It's a nice little shuffle. Somebody that's alright. Me and my woman got a license so fine. Why don't you mind your own business?
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Yeah, if you mind your business, you will be minding mine. Well, you're on the party lines of rosy old thing. Catch up and receive a get your clothes, it's my way. Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Why don't you mind your own business?
Mind your own business.
If she'd be minding your business, she would be minding mine. She wears her hair up high. All the boys whistle. She walks by. Why don't you mind their own business?
Mind your own business.
Mind their own business.
Mind your own business.
Minding their business, they will be minding mine. Minding other people's business on the behind tone. I got all that I can do on my own. Why don't you mind your own business?
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own
Yeah,
business.
if you're minding your business, you will be minding mine. Laughing might be fussing, but if that's alright. Me and my old lady, we got a license so far. Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
If you mind your business, you will be minding mine. If you mind your business, you'll be busy all the time.
Good night, folks. See you next week. Don't be late. Happy birthday, Paul.